In the next couple of videos, I'll be showing you how we can use dynamic routing with Vue. So in this case, I'm going to create a real simple like products page where we list a product, as you can see on my screen right now. And once you click this, you go to the specific product and more information or details about that. So if you look at my link up here, it says localhost /products, and once I click some islands, it's going to say /1 product /1 because we're now into the details of this single item or this single product instead of showing everything, and how we're doing this. So I'm gonna show you how to set this up in these couple of videos. Now, I want to use my Vue here. I want to use my Vue UI here to try and install it this way compared to like we usually just do the npm. So in my terminal here, I'm just going to type in vue.ui, and hopefully we get to this page and it doesn't work. And now it works. Maybe a glitch in the system. But anyways, in here we're going to go to the let's go to the plugin here, so Vue Project Manager, and here we're going to install a new one. So you should probably say create or whatever, maybe not opret, which is the Danish word for it. And here we're going to create a new one. So I'm going to go back to the one called work, and this is where I'm going to create my new project. So opret, create it and give it a name. So let's go product page, right? So whatever. Give it a name, and that's really what you want. So we click next here. Do we want any specific? No, yeah, well, whatever. Standard is probably this, and we want standard web because we want to have the Vue router to it, so we don't have to install it manually. And click create, and it takes a few seconds to create this. But once this is done, we're going to install Vuetify here as well, and we're also going to try to just use the plugin from the Vue UI to install this and see how it works, and if there's something we need to make sure, we need to check if it doesn't work. But let's go through this in a minute when this is done. So I'm just going to pause it until it's done. It's installed now, and as you can see, I'm in the right one. So it says product dash page. I'm going to go to plugins, and I'm going to add something new. So I'm going to add a new plugin up here, and the one I want was Vuetify. There we go, the first one here. And let's install it down here. So this should take a few seconds as well to get this installed, and I'm going to break the video again. It's now installed. Click complete installation, and apparently we have a little thing more here. So let's just wait for this. Doesn't take too long. Pausing again. All right, back again. And continue, and it should take you back to this one where it says install plugin Vuetify. Awesome. So let's boot up our product and see if it's actually installing it correctly. So go to assignments or job or tasks and run task here. I think that's the one. So it's building right now, and hopefully in a little while we'll get our new page up and running. And they'll also show us if we have installed Vuetify correctly. So 10 seconds, come on, come on. There we go. So let's see if this works. It goes to open app. Here we go. Hey, it's installed Vuetify, so we're ready now. Cool. Let's open up our project here. So I'm just gonna grab it from here, and where did we put it? We put it here. So product page, and I'm just gonna take this, drag this to our Visual Studio Code. There we go. And let's just minimize this since we don't really need it. And hopefully now we have this. So this is just set up, and if you can skip this if you already know this. But anyways, here we have our app. We're just going to clean it up a little bit. And the app, which is the first one, we don't really need a lot of these, so we're just going to go down here first. Do we need the data in this case? Let's just leave it. We don't need the components, so remove that part. And we don't need to import the hello world. I'm going to create a new component for this. And let's go up, so hello world needs to go as well. And the button in the toolbar, we're just going to change a few things here. So we need this. This is it. Let's keep this for now. That's fine. And we're also going to be working in the view and in the home here. No, we're actually not going to work in this. We're going to create some new components for this and plugins. It's installed. Everything is working. All right, let's just delete this one here as well. So right click and remove. So we don't actually see this. Don't need it anymore. Cool. So build failure. Awesome. Right, it's going nuts because it probably has some link. Here we go, let's remove this. It's trying to import something that doesn't exist, so let's remove these. So again, just cleaning up the code a little bit more, and still an error. All right, let's go back. Oh, we have one up here, it's trying to import, so also in the home.view, remove it up here from the template. Still errors. Oh, it worked now, apparently it was just weird. Anyways, it's cleaned now. The next part we're going to be looking is to just quickly style this, create the components, sorry. We are going to create the 2 components we need and import those into our view here. We're going to do that in the next couple of videos, so see you in the next video.